This is a vibe right here. Got some dumplings, Corona, and the freaking view, baby. I got courtside seats for this. Look at this view. Wow. What kind of solo traveler discrimination is that? Come on now. Welcome back everyone to the vlog. Today we're in Furongzhen Ancient Town, China. And just look at this freaking place. It's about 20-30 minute high-speed train from Zhangjiajie. So I booked it last minute. I was like, why not? Let's come here. This place looks like an absolute fairy tale at night. And you can already see the view over here. It's a small little town, but apparently there is a lot to do. I got one night here, so I'm very excited to explore and see what this town has to offer. Already checked into my hotel. It's a little bit down that way. And the thing about this place too is you do need like an entry ticket. It's about 90 RMB, but it's multiple entry. I can use it for like 3 days, so that's good. Yeah, so it's good if you're here for a few days. Honestly, I don't think you need more than like 2 days here. I only have one full day to explore, but it's only 10 a.m. right now. It is raining a little bit as well, but I think it's gonna stop soon. Hopefully, because I hate carrying around an umbrella. It's just such a hassle, to be honest. I originally was not gonna come here. I figured, man, why not, you know? But let's see, we got this little bridge area over here. Look at this. So I was just over there actually. Little town. And of course, everywhere in China, you're gonna see huge tour groups because, I don't know, even like when I go to other countries and stuff, there's always a huge like Chinese tour group. But this town is insane. A lot of different ancient, I guess that's why they call it ancient town. Look right there. And then I think they have some type of shows here as well. Wow, look at this. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, I know nothing, no history about this place at all. I just saw like a couple videos of like the waterfall area. That's honestly why I came here. But it's cool to see other stuff you didn't expect. I mean, I'm gonna be walking around most of the day because I really want to see this place at night. I heard it's super nice at night, but even during the day, like these buildings are just absolutely beautiful. Ancient style buildings. So I missed a spot under the bridge actually, where you can walk along this path. I believe you can walk along it. I gotta cross anyways, so hopefully I don't slip. And I said this in my last video, I don't know if you saw it, but some English words in Chinese are spelled wrong, or in China I mean. Furongzhen waterfall, I'm pretty sure they meant to say waterfall. I don't know, maybe they did mean to say waterfall. So let's walk across this. Look at this view. Wow. And then you got this side. And look, it just drops deep into that, I'm pretty sure. And I don't know if I'm coming to the off-peak season or what, but it's pretty damn empty. Or maybe it's just during the day, mostly people come out at night. I'm actually not too sure. Introduction to scenic spot. White water, they have it in Korean as well. I guess they get a lot of Korean tourists because look, you get Chinese, English, and then Korean. Pretty interesting actually. When I was in Zhangjiajie, they had it in Korean, Chinese, English, and also Russian. I didn't think this town was that big, but it's pretty damn big. Oh shit, about to go under a waterfall. Keep this. Oh! So I just looked up some facts about this Furongzhen Ancient Town, and apparently it has a history of over 2,000 years, right as I walk under a waterfall. Whoa! And this town is known for being built on a hill, and it's like natural beauty and ethnic buildings, I guess, ethnic architecture. Keep this. Wow. What the fuck? I guess you can take a boat ride as well. I'm trying to find this spot right here, but I'm guessing that's literally where I just walked because it's called the Grand Waterfall. So this is the boat ride here. I'm not too sure how much it cost. But that boat looks absolutely insane. I don't really know if I want to go on here. I'm not really a fan of boat rides too much. I did one in Zhangjiajie, the Grand Canyon, and it was not even that fun, to be honest. I can't even get on a boat if I wanted to. They're discriminating against individual people. Look at this. Ships are for groups only. Individual passengers are not allowed on board. What kind of solo traveler discrimination is that? Come on now. Hello. Hello. 谢谢. Oh. 谢谢. Oh, she actually recognized me as a foreigner though. She started off with a hello. That's a first. Decided to stop by this restaurant to get something to eat real quick. Just because I haven't eaten yet. And I am kind of hungry. Need some energy. That's what we're working with. Some eggs. Looks fire. With some rice. Nothing too crazy, just a quick little snack. That meal was fire. Now I'm in this little museum area, I guess. It tells you about the history. Good thing I can translate, eh? So this town is known for like the Zhangjiajie people. They're hardworking, intelligent people who have thrived on this magical land of Shizu, forming a rich and diverse culture. Their brocade, batik, waving hand dance, Malgus dance. So they're known for like dancing and stuff, and I guess they're fitted out with these clothes right here. Pretty cool. I'm guessing this is one of the dances. And there is a little parade. I think they are doing it tonight. I'm not too sure actually. And just look at all like the ancient furniture they have. Wow. And I believe this is the whole map of the area. We're here, exit Furong Ancient Town. I think I'm gonna exit, see what else is outside this area. Because when I was driving here, I did see like a Luckin Coffee, a Mishue. So maybe I stop by and get some coffee or something. Look at this right here. This is a prime photo spot. I love these little Chinese lamps as well. But this town is pretty dead. Like, don't really see that many people. These shops as well are also dead. Like, there's people in front of the restaurants standing around asking, like trying to get me to come in. So there's really not a lot of people at all. But who knows, maybe they come out at night, more busy at night. That's how like Zhangjiajie is. People don't really come out until the nighttime. Now, let's see, this is like the main road where cars drive. It's pretty interesting how they have these ticket gates all the way over here. So you can't pass this little area unless you buy the ticket, which is the 90 RMB one. I guess to keep this place like more, maintain it well or something. Whew, just napped for like 2 hours and then now I'm about to head back out. It's around like almost 4:30, 5 o'clock. So it's gonna be dark pretty soon, but let me show you a room tour real quick. Here's the restroom. And then you have a shower over here, separate. And the bed, huge, I believe king size bed, maybe California king. And then here, and this is the view. Honestly, you can see out, this is like the main street. Or main walking street. Honestly, decent hotel, not too bad. It's also not raining anymore, which is nice. I'm about to head over here though. I'm not too sure what's over here. I haven't been to this area yet. Damn. Honestly, that's like a 2-minute walk from my hotel. And at night, all this lights up, plus the waterfall. So my hotel just texted me on WeChat saying there's an indoor performance at 8:30. Not too sure what that is. Don't know if I'm gonna check it out, but we'll see. Pretty sure this is the indoor performance over here, where they dance and stuff, and then you line up. Entrance to Yinan Theater, and it comes with the ticket, the 90 RMB ticket that I first got. So that ticket literally is an entrance for everything. You definitely should have that everywhere. Passed by another gated area. I'm also going to the waterfall again, but I think this is from a different angle or view from afar. So maybe at night This area will also be nice. But look down here. Whoa, this is definitely the best spot, y'all. Yeah, look at this. Sheesh. It's gonna look crazy at night. Maybe a thumbnail? What a freaking view though. And after it just rained, how the clouds, a little bit foggy. Super nice mountains up there. I think I saw a video, yeah, this is a really popular spot actually. Because of the view, I'm guessing. We even got like a bunch of painters here as well. Definitely gonna come back to this spot later at night when it gets darker and all the lights are on. This might be the best spot for at night actually. Tips. Watch steps and no climbing. Alright, it is finally nighttime and check out this street. It's absolutely beautiful. That was insane. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it's literally like a fairy tale town. Right now I'm going back to the same spot I was like a few clips ago. I literally just went back to the hotel, chilled until it was night a little bit longer. But now the sun has like fully set. And this view right here, I'm actually super freaking excited to see. Oh my. Thumbnail? Let me switch to my iPhone. I think it's better at night. I think I'm about to get something to eat too here, why not? Just enjoy this view. This is a vibe right here. Got some dumplings, Corona, and the freaking view, baby. So now I think I'm gonna try to head to the waterfall down there and then maybe another viewpoint right over there. Yeah, a lot more people at night. But it makes sense because this city is known for how it looks at night. Or a town, I mean, sorry. But look at this. Absolutely insane. And I actually think I am gonna get the drone up. I went to my hotel, plugged it in to charge for a little bit. And then I'm gonna fly it later once it's fully charged. But here we're back at the same spot under the waterfall. And yeah, it does look way better lit up at night. Ooh. Crazy with the lights. Earlier in the video I said you should spend like 2 days max here, but honestly I think 1 full day is good enough. Keep the ambiance. The top of the waterfall now. Damn. There's a lot of drone flyers here too, so hopefully when I fly mine, we don't get in no accident or hit each other or something like that. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I only have one word to say and that's insane. Alright, I'm about to get the drone up right here, but I don't know how long I'm gonna fly it because I don't have that much battery left. But for video purposes, yes, my drone is registered in China. hope y'all are enjoying these drone shots because this just looks insane on here, like a video game. Let me know what you think of those drone shots. Honestly, it's so cool just seeing it from like a different perspective. This town just up high above. Now I'm headed to the indoor performance. Starts at 8:30, so about 30 minutes left. I am excited for this performance though because I have no idea what to expect. Let's go, we're in. I'm trying to get a good seat. Oh damn, there's all the people here already. Let me go right here. I think it might fill up the whole thing, not sure. Alright, this place got packed quick. I got courtside seats for this. Wraps it up. Pretty cool show though. Here. Look how many people actually came though. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why. I thought they were gonna do some like crazy flips and stuff, but I thought they were gonna be doing like backflips, freaking off the stage or something. But it was still a pretty cool show, pretty interesting dancing and stuff like that. The outfits were really cool as well. Got a little souvenir out of it as well that they were throwing. It's just some candy, but I actually really like this type of bag. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Furongzhen Ancient Town was absolutely amazing. I highly recommend coming here if you ever get a chance for at least one day. So please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this vlog, and comment where you want to see me go next. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.